Hello and welcome to Byte Size Tech. I'm your host Rogue, and today a word from our sponsor Cryptocom, home of the Visa card that pays up to 8% in rewards and the app that pays you up to 14% annually on your crypto stake. Join more than 10 million users on the world's fastest growing crypto app as you trade with confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange. Tech has more information and a special sign up offer at the end of this video. All right, we got to say goodbye.
Learning money is not mandatory.
No, it should be.
If you don't know how money works, don't be surprised when you don't have any of it. Okay.
Oh, good God. Okay, here we go.
To everybody in the world who complains about not having money, about being broke, to everybody who complains, oh, the rich just get richer and oh, we just get screwed over. Do you know how money works? Do you know how interest works? Do you own things that appreciate in value and pay you money, or do you own liabilities where you just owe a bunch of money? Are you investing your time and energy in things that will pay you a return in the future, or are you just spending money on things today that just disappear and give you nothing? Computer parts, except maybe for mining, but that's a separate conversation. Video game consoles, cars, for the most part. They're all just expenses where money just goes away and never comes back. Houses, stocks, businesses. What are you investing in that will pay you in the future? How does compound interest work? If you don't know that, don't be surprised when you're broke. Not throwing stones from a glass house, been broke, did not get taught that stuff in school, spent many years figuring it out.
You're welcome.
She helped a lot. So, but I give the speech so well. Do I not?
Amazing.
You know what we never had during this live stream?
What?
A Tim Tam break.
Well, that's because it's dinner time.
Oh.
We did not know.
All I can say is that if you have a button that prints money and you don't press it because you choose not to learn how the button works, you have lost all right to complain about being broke, in my opinion. And I know it will upset some soft, sensible people.
Soft.
But the fact of the matter is...
Compound interest in 6th grade.
Yeah, that's not taught these days. Regarding this point, why are people not upgrading? And I said 6 months ago it would have been a free upgrade. The 3090s that we bought for ourselves and the 3070s I bought for the kids back in February have completely paid for themselves. They're totally free upgrades. And I've been yelling about it for over 6 months now. And what's happened? We've lost viewers, we've lost subs, and people have gotten mad at me for it. So for everybody asking today, now granted, if you weren't watching, if you weren't looking, if you weren't in the space, if this is the first or second live stream or video you've ever watched of us, fair enough.
Welcome.
Welcome. You weren't here. But to anybody who was watching 6 months ago who's like, I get this all the time. Every single day, I refuse to buy a video card over MSRP. It's on principle. Okay, that's your choice. That's fine. So you're not going to buy a video card. Well, the company should sell cards only to true gamers at MSRP. So you want the world to change how it works because your sensibilities are upset. No one cares about how you feel about it. The miners don't care. The GPU companies don't really care, no matter what NVIDIA says about light hash rate. They're making billions of dollars. They cannot hear you over their Scrooge McDuck level vault of money. Seriously, billions of dollars NVIDIA is making. They don't really care.
I know.
It is really a Scrooge McDuck vault level of money. So you can either play the game according to the way the world wants it played, or you can go sit in the corner and you can bitch and moan and complain and say, this is absurd and I hate it and it's evil and you can type on Twitter, and you can type on YouTube comments, and you can type in the live stream of chats, and you can say, oh, this is ridiculous. I don't agree with this. This is wrong. How's that working for everybody? Has all that complaining changed anything?
Yep. Not at all. Feel better?
I have an RTX 3090 in my computer at home, and I didn't pay for it. Miners paid me for it. My kids went from Mini Deals had a 2060,
Yep.
Junior Deals had a 2060 Super, and Princess Stormy had an RX 580. And they all now have RTX 3070s, 100% paid for by mining.
There we go. Lamont, thank you. His RX 6800 XT is free now, mining since January. Excellent.
2 gold stars.
Well, Lamont was one of the ones that was with us when we were suggesting that. So
I know. I know many of you don't want it to work like this.
I know.
I am frustrated with the shortages and the fact that we can't just buy a 6600 XT on launch day, even for the crazy prices they're going for. I do hear you. But all of our complaining does nothing.
Nope. So you might as well just
I
get
spent
in it.
$1,100 to buy a 3070 Ti because I need it for the channel and because at the very least I'll pay for half of it with mining until Ethereum finally goes away. And there'll be something else to mine with it, so I'm not worried about it. Now, just to be clear, I'm not encouraging anybody to go buy a fleet of cards. I bought one. And I've been stubborn about buying it. I could have bought it a couple weeks ago. In retrospect, I probably should have just bought it when it launched, even paying the extra money. But I was trying to win one on a shuffle. I was trying to get one.
Yeah, you were.
But I don't want to pay more any more than you guys do. I hate spending money I don't have to spend. It sucks. But I didn't buy 3. I bought 1. I don't need more than 1.
All right. I'm convinced mining my 2080 Ti and Titan XP. Weasel. All right.
If you have a 2080 Ti and you're not mining with it, what the heck is...
There's the crypto.com for you, Weasel.
Push the button.
And then use nice hash. Scroll up and find the nice hash link.
How many of you have a Visa card that pays you up to 8% on every purchase? Crypto.com offers an amazing deal on their Visa card with cashback that is an unbeatable deal. No annual fee, no sign-up fee, no credit checks, no interest payments. It works just like a prepaid debit card, allowing you to spend your money anywhere Visa is accepted. But wait, there's more! Get your Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime subscriptions 100% paid for by Crypto.com. You heard me right. Use your new Crypto Visa card to pay for your subscriptions and get 100% back in rewards. Earning 8% on your new Visa card is awesome, but how would you like to earn up to 14% interest on your crypto holdings? If you're holding crypto for investment, inflation protection, or price speculation, it can be frustrating to feel like your money is just parked. Yes, you really can earn up to 14% annual interest on your crypto, paid weekly directly to your account to spend however you like. The interest is paid in the same token that you're holding. So if you have Bitcoin staked, you earn Bitcoin. If you have Ethereum staked, you earn Ethereum, and so on. Flexible terms are offered, including zero lock, so you can withdraw your crypto anytime you like without restrictions. Or you can hold for 1 or 3 month terms for a higher rate of return. Of course, you can buy, sell, and exchange 100 plus cryptocurrencies with 20 plus fiat currencies using bank transfers or your credit and debit card at true cost. Crypto.com is first and foremost a crypto exchange. There is so much more to explore. I have barely scratched the surface. DeFi features including a private wallet with full control of your private keys, margin and derivatives trading options for advanced traders. Crypto credit allows you to borrow against your holdings with no deadlines or credit checks. Crypto NFTs allows you to explore the new world of non-fungible tokens. Crypto Pay allows you to pay any merchant with crypto and you earn up to 10% back in rewards. And that's not even everything they have to offer. If you're looking for the place to be in crypto, use our link in the video description below to sign up today. You'll get a $25 crypto sign-up bonus and 30 days of 0% transaction fees on credit and debit card purchases of crypto. It supports the channel and it gets you a great offer to get started in the world of crypto.